Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Name of the subject Mathematics, Standard 6th. Topic Profit and Loss Part 2. Name of the teacher Mrs. Snehal Sarvaiya. Chapter 13 Profit and Loss. In this video we will learn what is total cost price and practice set 32. Total cost price. In grading, all expenses incurred on an article before it can be sold have to be added to the cost price of the article. That is called the total cost price of the article. Practice set 32. Question 1. From a wholesaler, Santosh bought 400 eggs for rupees 1500 and spent rupees 300 on transport. 50 eggs fell down and broke. He sold the rest at rupees 5 each. Did he make a profit or loss? How much? We'll see the solution now. The total cost price is equal to cost price of eggs plus transport. So the cost price of eggs is rupees 1500 and the transport is 300. So 1500 plus 300, it is rupees 1800. Out of 400 eggs, 50 eggs broke. Therefore, total eggs sold is equal to 400 minus 50, that is 350. Now, Santosh sold each egg at rupees 5. Therefore, selling price of 350 eggs is equal to 350 into 5, that is rupees 1750. The cost price is more than the selling price, therefore he incurred a loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP, which is equals to 1800 minus 1750. So loss is equals to rupees 50. Therefore Santosh incurred a loss of rupees 50. Question 2. Abraham bought goods worth rupees 50,000 and spent rupees 7,000 on transport and octroi. If he sold the goods for rupees 65,000, did he make a profit or incur a loss? How much? Solution. Total cost price is equal to cost of goods plus transport and octroi. So that is rupees 50,000 plus 7,000 is rupees 57,000. So total cost price is rupees 57,000. Now the selling price is rupees 65,000. Here the selling price is more than the cost price, therefore he made a profit. So profit is equal to SP minus CP. 65,000 minus 57,000, that is rupees 8,000. Answer. Abraham made a profit of rupees 8,000. Question 3. Ajit Kaur bought a 50 kg sack of sugar for rupees 1750, but as sugar prices fell, she had to sell it at rupees 32 per kg. How much loss did she incur? So the solution is the cost price of 50 kg sugar is rupees 1750. The selling price of 1 kg sugar is equal to rupees 32. Therefore, selling price of 50 kg sugar is equal to 50 into 32, that is equals to 1600. Now here the cost price is more than the selling price, therefore she incurred a loss. So loss is equal to CP minus SP. So 1750 minus 1600 is equals to rupees 150. So Ajit Kaur incurred a loss of rupees 150. Question 4. Kusumtai bought 80 cookers at rupees 700 each. Transport cost her rupees 1280. If she wants a profit of rupees 18,000, what should be the selling price per cooker? Solution. The cost price of one cooker is equal to rupees 700. Therefore, the cost price of 80 cookers is equal to 700 into 80, that is rupees 56,000. Therefore, total cost price is equal to cost price plus transport, which is equal to 56,000 plus 1,280, which is equals to rupees 57,280. She wants a profit of rupees 18,000. So she should sell the cookers for rupees total cost price plus profit, that is 57,280 plus 18,000, which is equals to rupees 75,280. The selling price of 80 cookers is equal to rupees 75,280. Therefore, selling price of one cooker is equal to 75,280 divided by 80. So the answer is 941. So Kusumtai should sell each cooker at rupees 941. Question 5. Indrajit bought 10 refrigerators at rupees 12,000 each and spent rupees 5,000 on transport. For how much should he sell each refrigerator in order to make a profit of rupees 20,000? Solution. The cost price of a refrigerator is equal to rupees 12,000. Therefore, cost price of 10 refrigerators is equal to 10 into 12,000, which is equals to 1,20,000. Total cost price is equal to cost price plus transport. So 1,20,000 plus 5,000, which is equals to 1,25,000. He wants to make a profit of rupees 20,000. Therefore, selling price of 10 refrigerators is equal to cost price of 10 refrigerators plus profit, which is equals to 1,25,000 plus 20,000, that is 1,45,000. The selling price of 10 refrigerators is equal to 1,45,000. Therefore, the selling price of one refrigerator is equal to 1,45,000 divided by 10, that is 14,500. So the answer is Indrajit should sell each refrigerator at rupees 14,500. Question 6. Lalitabai sold seeds worth rupees 13,700 in her field. She had to spend rupees 5,300 on fertilizers and spraying pesticides and rupees 7,160 on labor. If on selling her produce she received rupees 35,400, what was her profit or loss? We'll see the solution now. Total cost price is equal to cost price of seed plus amount spent on fertilizers and pesticides plus labor is equal to 13,700 plus 5,300 plus 7,160 is equal to rupees 26,160. The selling price is equal to rupees 35,400. So the selling price is more than the total cost price. Therefore, there is a profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP, which is equals to 35,400 minus 26,160, that is 9,240. So Lalitabai got a profit of rupees 9,240. Thank you.